Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 14th of May, Blessing Friday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update reviews, feel free to subscribe channel. Just to let you know, guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade and provide live intraday analysis in real time to my traders, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. All right, let's move on straight to the Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD trade. Euro USD, as you can see here, day before yesterday, because I had a day off yesterday, as I mentioned you guys. So we had a beautiful short trade here. This morning we were long, and if you look at in 4-hour, let me explain to you in a bit more details. If you look at this candle, and you can see here, this is this candle inside candle pattern, so in decision mode. This morning, as soon as the price develop bullish engulfing candle, we take a long trade here. We were long here. So afterwards, we also already have another pullback. As you can see, price came back and hit this level, develop another pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, you can see here price respected previously, so we banked some profit. So now I'm going to show you all the intraday analysis from here to here, the journey. All right, so if you look at here, we were such a beautiful long trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. And if you look at here, this is the analysis. This is the analysis we did last night at the Asian session. So we explained to trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken here. Look at the bottom, momentum bullish. As soon as the price hit first target and the second target, that was this level at that time. So we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here at this time we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So I also did another analysis, explained to my trader as the routine just before London Open around, you can see here 7:30 GMT London time, which is 6:36 GMT time. So look for, as explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback because the price broke on this 200 EMA in intraday. And if you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. So you can see here, as soon as the price develop, explain to trader, you can have another small ride on Euro USD. You can see another pullback. As soon as the price hit this resistance level, as you can see here, price develops sort of like a double top here, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see from here to here we had this breakout, which is this consolidation in 4-hour, and beautiful, and then we have this pullback, which is this pullback here. So we watch in 4-hour, and then we take maximum advantage through intraday by refining our entries and exit. You can see here, that's why we keep both of and same and together, so that at least we can analyze perfectly and we can maximize the opportunities. All right, so let's move on to the pound dollar. Right, so pound dollar, if you look at previous price action, day before yesterday, we had a beautiful short trade here. As you can see here, this is the over weekly support line, which is, you can see here, price nicely respected. We had this breakout, this wedge breakout, and afterwards we keep taking a long because you can see here, this is bullish engulfing candle and beautiful breakout and long trade, and our target was this level, which is price nicely hit. So you can see here we had such a beautiful trade. We'll see tomorrow in Monday if the price gonna break, then long. Otherwise, if you look at the price action, price is broken after the breakout, expecting a pullback short, but we'll let you know because we are intraday trader. So we'll let you know. So if any pattern develop bullish, we'll take it accordingly. If short, we'll take it accordingly, but we'll see. You can see here price also look like it's touching a third touch. Anyhow, so if you look at here, we were long on pound dollar. Let me share with you all the intraday analysis. I'm going to share with you guys from here to here journey. Okay, if you look at this is the analysis I did last night when I did the Euro USD for the Asian session, and you can see here price nicely broken this morning. Beautiful. We explained to trader it's time to consider banking some pips, because the price was at this level, which is the previous high in 4 hour, and that's what we explained to trader to bank some profit. Then afterwards, as I explained to trader, as you know that as soon as the price move or develop another pattern, we broadcast that information instantly. You can see here. Then I did another analysis after banking some pips. You can see here we had a beautiful triangle pattern. So technically, which I explained to my trader through live intraday analysis. If you look at here, this was the bull flag pattern. If you put the bottom, you can see the momentum was bullish. So we had beautiful this breakout, and afterwards, as always mentioned guys, to take a pullback as soon as the price hit this level in 4 hour. And if you look at here, sort of price develop another double top, and that's what we explained to trader, is time to bank some profit. So we had amazing trades, two long trades on pound dollar today, intraday trades. Beautiful trade guys. All right guys, so that's it. So let's move on to the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, we had that was a beautiful trade this morning. Amazing, bank beautiful pips. And if you look at the 4-hour chart guys, if you look at the previous price action, this candle give you a significant information rejection. You can see here price nicely respected the previous high, and you can see here this is another trend sub resistance line. So we had this breakout, and afterwards you can see this candle develop a bullish engulfing candle, and of course then afterwards keep taking a pullback short trade here. And our target was the support level, which is, you can see here, price nicely hit, and we banked beautiful pips. This was the trade of the day, beautiful pips. Okay, if you look at here, we had such a nice rally. We had this breakout. Afterwards 1, 2, 3 beautiful pullback short trade here. Even the fourth one is developed. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis of the dollar CAD. All right, so if you look at the dollar CAD, this was the analysis I did last night, both EURUSD pound dollar and the dollar CAD. So I explained to my traders, so look for this level. That's the level which is previously price respected. If you look at here, and that's the level, and that's we explained to trader, and we can see here another trend support line. So we have this breakout, and while the price was about to break this one, I also updated that analysis in London morning session. It's just before London open. So we price develop another triangle pattern, you can see here. So explain to trader, if the price is going to break, look at the bottom, the momentum was bullish, and look at the bottom here, this candle was bullish, bearish engulfing candle. So we have significant information to keep taking a pullback in intraday. So we have this breakout, then we explain to trader if the price is going to break this 200 EMA in our intraday system. As long as the momentum is bearish, we have one pullback. So all these pullbacks is announced through live audio commentary. So you can see here we had such a beautiful short trade on pound dollar CAD. So based on the 4-hour price action, we refine our entries and exit. All these things happening in the real time. So that's my objective, to train trader with the live market. All right, guys. So I hope you're enjoying this analysis review and learning few price action techniques. All right. So as you can see, we had amazing trades, beautiful, and even we have another beautiful pair today. We had a short trade here on. You can see here. If you look at in 4-hour, we can see here price nicely respected. And if you look at here, this candle and this candle, and if you look at these candle, inside candle in decision mode, but this is the makes sense, the price has broken, respected 1 second time, so possibility, and then we were short whole day, long on EURUSD, short on, you can see here, beautiful short trade. We were short here from yesterday until today. Even now this pullback is performed. Even if you look at here, let me share with you all the analysis on dollar Swiss franc. If you look at here, this is the analysis I did yesterday. Some of the traders asked me if you can let us know if the price is, so then I did this analysis. I explained to trader safest way to look if the price gonna break this previous high or previous low on previous high, and I also explained price develop a downside channel pattern. So you can see here price broken, And afterwards, as always, I explained based on the momentum, we had a pullback because we have a very strong bearish candle. You can see here. So we banked some beautiful pips. So when the price is at 200 EMA, price was at this level in intraday, Bollinger Band. Inside the Bollinger Band, we explained to trader, let's see if the price is going to develop. So you can see we have another bearish candle, and explain to trader if the price gonna break this one, take another short trade here. So we have another beautiful. So we were taking a pullback short based on the sentiment in price action in 4 hour. We have price respected here, and we had an intraday support the 4 hour price action, and that's why we keep taking a pullback short trade. Most of the traders bank beautiful pips. Even in the New York session, I explained to trader, they were expecting price might going to reverse. I said, guys, make it simple trading. We're going to trade what we see it. So you can see here we have another last one, the breakout short trade. As soon as the price hit to the first target, bank few more pips on dollar Swiss franc. So you can see here we did quite good today, and I hope you're enjoying all this analysis. And if you would like to see all that analysis in the real time, alongside with the 4 hour analysis with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have the Forex trading experience, I provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform. My objective, that's what I'm keep telling you guys, to train trader with the live market. That's the only way you're going to develop your trading skill. So this is not a training about the strategy or a trading system. This is purely training about the price action in real time. You will get the feedback, all of your trades in the real time from analyst, or if you need any help, you can ask any analysis updates or help through analysts in the real time. And if you produce some interesting results, we can also open door for you for funding. So if you would like to know how I train people through live market, how I help them to get funded through prop firms, feel free to book one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So even if you guys are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading. Most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, I wish you all the best.